My name is Yisrael Said, and today I want to share how we can make our office more environmentally friendly. I will focus on SDG 12, which is about responsible consumption and production. Sustainability is very important today because of climate change, pollution, and waste. Our planet has many problems that affect the environment and our health. Office add of these problems because they use a lot of paper, plastics, cups, plates, and other disposable items. So, if we do not change the way we work, this waste will continue to harm the environment. And by understanding why sustainability matters, we can start making small changes that create a big impact. Many offices print too much documents every day. This wastes a lot of paper and can harm trees and environment. Many offices also use disposable cups and plates. These items are thrown away after one use and create a lot of trash. Finally, many offices do not recycle properly. Paper, plastic, and other materials are often thrown in the garbage instead of being recycled. And these small actions may seem simple, but together they create a big problem for the planet. If we continue like this, it can cause a pollution and waste natural resources. So the positive change I want to make in the office is to reduce paper use and start using more reusable items. This is a small change, but it has a big impact on the environment. Many offices print too much and most papers are used only one time and then thrown away. By printing only what we really need, we can save trees, we save money, and reduce waste. I also want to encourage the office to use reusable cups, plates, and water bottles instead of single use ones. These disposable items create a lot of plastic waste that stay in the environment for many years. And by choosing reusable items, we help reduce pollution and keep the office cleaner. And another important part of my solution is improving recycling. So there's many people want to recycle, but they are not always sure where things should go. I want to help by reminding others to sort paper, plastic, and other materials correctly. This is small helps the environment and supports sustainability. All these simple actions, printing less, using reusable items, and recycling correctly, can make our office greener and more responsible. When we work together and make small changes every day, we can create a better future for our planet. So when we use less paper, we save trees and product forests. The office also saves money because we don't need to buy as much paper. And the recycling paper, plastic, and other items help reduce pollution and keep the environment clean. Also, using reusable cups and plates instead of throwaway ones helps reduce the amount of garbage. These steps may look small, but if everyone in the office helps, the result can be very, very big. So, in my conclusion, I would like to say sustainability starts with small actions. Every choice we make in the office matters. By printing less, recycling more, and using reusable items, we can reduce waste and protect the environment. Each of us can help the planet by making these changes in our daily work. So together, these small actions added up to big positive impact. Let's start today and make our office more sustainable. And thank you for listening.